There's Snowy trying to eat a piece of bread. The gate to her cage is open. But instead, she'll try to lick through the cage. Snowy, the door to your cage is open. Just crawl out. Oh, you gonna give up? You're not gonna eat the piece of bread? How about if I do this? Your gate door is already open. There, open it some more. Now it's all the way open. Silly dog.